What is going on, my good people? I am back on this birthday Saturday with another video, another, I don't know about steal and deal, but I grabbed something though. So we're going to get into it. But real quick, go check out the home team, 313 Retro Queen, McFly KOL, PMKICKZ, and make sure you go and subscribe to my Who Has the Heat channel, as well as my feature channel. And to my right, your left, I have my day one.
That's me.
My daughter, all up in the video, just like P. Diddy. But, hey, it is what it is. We're going to get into it. I ain't going to make this no habit. Cause, yeah. So, this is what we got. A little a little bit of Paris up in here. So, you got the Paris 7, the Paris 4, and it's a PP, personal pair. Size 9, I can do a 9.5. I've got these from Foot Locker, Waikiki, Wacky. 9.5 men's, 11 women's. Suggested retail price $215. Smackaroos. Official colorway is white, university red. I already got the 4s, so this will go perfect with it. Yes, we chilling in the parking lot, we loitering. I just want to get a real quick overview of this. Yeah, you got the blue box, blue top, right? You got your paper wafer. You can see you got your grass, just like the 4s. And she's over here doing all this holes and stuff like that. But, as you can see, these joints are fire flames. Bang and bang. Look at it. You can see that. You see that old wrinkle stankle? You see that? Old wrinkle stankle. Let me ask my daughter, my day one. What you think about this shoe? Fire.
Heat. I approve. Valid.
Oh, man. Wow, she actually approved because she's a tough cookie. Do you guys know this is the same child or daughter of mine that said the Flint 13s is trash? Who raised this girl?
Pepsi on here. My Instagram is SlayEnvy.
Hey. Take it easy.
AKA his twin.
She said the Flint 13s are
trash.
Who child is this? Can somebody come get her? She about to get ready to catch the bus. Really, she really is. But
trash.
Y'all see it, right?
These look better than the Flint 13s.
The nerve. I'm gonna have to get through this now. She got my blood pressure up. So as you can see on the bottom of here, black. These kind of look like the Olympic 7s, right? But probably a little bit better materials. You got the PSG after the soccer team. That's very, very dope, right? You see under the bottom the white, so you might have to clean that. But look, on that toe, look at that. Some wrinkles, stankle. You got that blue with the nylon. You got white laces. You got the Jumpman, or you got the Jordan right there on the tongue. And you got the Air all up in there. But like I said, I like this wrinkle stain because you don't have the air unit like the 4, 5s, and 6s on these shoes. You got the Paname, you got the breathability, then you got the mesh on here, which I think is pretty dope. I think this is a very, very dope hit with this gold right here. Then you got the Eiffel Tower on the back, and you have your little sun to kind of remind you of the New Orleans Saints, right, on this. And then you take out your shoe tree. See, you got 9, 9.5 should look like so. And then inside it has PMKICKZ Paris. I don't know if you can see that. But that is very, very dope. I think that means this is Paris, if I ain't not mistaken. So yes. And then you got that on this side. So you got the Panama on that side, nothing on this side. So you got to make sure you know. And then you got your little thing on the inside of here as well. And you got your pull tab on the booty on that ass so you can help you get these shoes in. And you got the little sock boot, right? The sock liner on these. 7s are very, very comfy, but they get no love. Why they don't get no love is beyond me. And you're on the median side, of course. Like I said, you got that wrinkle, stankle over it. And I was surprised. Like I said, I think they only had 2 more pairs of this, 9.5 or 12 inside of Foot Locker. Production date is 12/2/20 to 2/17/21. So not bad. Not bad, about roughly 2 months. So what y'all think? Should this be a lace swap? Should we go blue? Should we go red? Or should we just keep it OG? What do y'all think? Leave a comment suggestion below. But y'all already know. On a little meter. What y'all think this shoe? What you think? Little meter. Out of 5, what you get is? What you get this shoe?
A 10.
What kind of math is that? I said, oh my God. Public school education. You gotta excuse my child.
Well, that means it's over 5, Dad. That means it's that fire. Like, that's heat. If I say over 10, that's heat.
Whatever. So on my scale, out of 5, I'm gonna give this a 4.7 out of 5. You guys let me know. Like I said, fire materials, better than the OGs. I don't know if it's worth $215, but I actually got them for $190 with my military discount. So hey, I got them from under retail. So hey, it is what it is. Like I said, we can chop it up in the comment section. Leave a thumbs up, all of that good stuff. We on the road to 10K. Eventually we will get there. If it's a year from now, we will get there. Thanks for all the love and support. Peace, love,
Comment
and chicken grease.
if I should be more in my dad's videos. I've been trying to be in my dad's videos for the longest. So if y'all want me to be in the videos, I mean, who wouldn't want me to be in the videos? But if y'all want me to be in the videos of my dad, just say that. Just comment that. Just comment below, like, subscribe, everything.
She has enough.
E-Money and Slay Ambi in the building.
She has enough confidence for the both of us. And with that being said, I'm out. Peace.